This is the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. The display size of the Tecno Spark 9 Pro is 6.6 inches. It has a full HD Plus resolution, uses an IPS LCD display panel, and features a standard 60Hz refresh rate. The display is very colorful and looks really sharp. The design of the Spark 9 Pro is also very beautiful. It has a two-tone finish back design. The bottom panel of the rear is like a matte finish while the upper part of the rear is smooth and shiny. The chipset inside the Tecno Spark 9 Pro is the MediaTek Helio G85. This is a 4G chipset that is built on 12 nanometers process technology. It has a maximum CPU frequency of 2.00 GHz, and uses the ARM Mali G52MC2 GPU, for gaming and graphic work. The chipset is a decent performing chipset. It can play games but not in high graphics settings. When playing heavy graphics games, this chipset is capped at 30 FPS, which at this price point is not that bad. The camera setup of the Tecno Spark 9 Pro is 50MP primary camera, a 2MP depth sensor, an AI lens, and a 32MP front camera. The front camera is one of the best cameras on this phone and it's supported by a dual LED flash. The 50MP primary camera is also very good and takes decent photos. The portrait mode is good, but lacks good color and does very poor work at blurring the background. However, the 32MP front camera is very impressive. It retains good colors and is also very sharp. When it comes to video, the front and back cameras can shoot videos in 2K resolution. There is no OIS or gyro eye stabilization features, so you have to hold your hand steady if you want to get really good shots. Tecno Spark 9 Pro comes with 4GB RAM and it also has support for memory fusion. It comes with 128GB of internal storage, and also has support for storage expansion via a micro SD card slot. As per software, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro boots iOS 8.6 based on Android 12 out of the box. Tecno promises 1 year of major software updates and 2 years of monthly security patches for this phone. The Spark 9 Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. With support for an 18 watts fast charge, you can charge this phone from 0 to 50% in about 60 minutes. When fully charged, you can use this phone for 17 hours, and under heavy usage, you can get 10 hours of use. If you want style and something easy to carry around, something affordable that offers a good camera and decent performance, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro is a budget phone you should consider buying. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.